Hi, today we're talking top 5 profitable business ideas in Nigeria for 2025. So stick with me, let's go into this. The first is selling ready-to-wear dresses. The Nigerian fashion industry is a gold mine. You don't have to be a tailor. You don't have to be a fashion designer. You don't even have to have a sewing skill. Get your Ankaras ready. Go to Oshodi Market, Lagos Island Market. These are markets that sells in good quality and quantity. I will tell you Oshodi Market specifically because that market caters to Ankara in specifics. It is cheaper in Oshodi Market. The Ankara you're going to get for 15,000 naira in Lagos Island may be going for 12,000 naira in Oshodi Market, and they are very fantastic quality. Now, look for a tailor in your neighborhood or outside your neighborhood, a ready-to-wear tailor that the money is not expensive. Don't go for the category of Vicky James because you will pay for the category of Vicky James if you do so. Go for the local tailors that knows how to sew well, that are well detailed. Make designs. Use SketchOut designs or go on Pinterest, look for designs. Go on Google, look for designs. Instagram vendors are there to give you good designs. Check out those designs, copy them. I'm not telling you to copy and paste. You guys should hear me properly. Copy them, put some differences. If, for instance, something has a zip from here to here, you can put your own zip from here to here. Just make sure there's a difference from what is out there or what is obtainable out there. Now, already have an agreement with that tailor. I am reselling. Any tailor that knows you're reselling will surely give you at a fantastic price. I am reselling. So how much are you going to sew per bash? The tailor will be bash sewing. The tailor is not just going to sew for someone who is consuming the wearables like me. Always give the tailor a timeline because customers will not wait that long, right? Make sure that your styles are unique. Always look for something different to offer the market. That is what will keep you ahead of the curve, ahead of your competitors. Aside that, you're going to open a social media page. This is how to make money online. After opening your social media page, you start posting in there, start doing collaborations. You see, collaborations will help you. If you're able to give out clothing to some creators, they are going to mention your name or advertise for you for free. Don't look at how much you're going to save. You're going to gain much more. If, for instance, you give a creator one of your fantastic clothing, you give the person a ready-to-wear, the person will surely mention you if you have that agreement. Don't think that if you give a creator something and you did not tell the person exactly what you want the person to do for you or what you intend to benefit from that collaboration, don't think that the person will mention you. The person may just take that clothes, wear it, and that will be all. But if you tell them categorically what you would like for them to do for you, if they're in sync with it, why not? But if they're not in sync with it, you must look for as many creators as possible. Just make sure there are those that have engaging followers, those that are into lifestyle content, so that it will move fast. Aside from that, what if you don't have money to go and buy plenty Ankara and give to a tailor? Now, I've got you. Come closer. Go to one of the tailors in your neighborhood. Ask the person if he or she has the money to buy Ankara and to sew the clothes. You will be the one marketing the clothes. Now, open social media pages. This is how to make money online for free. Open social media pages, put those ready to wear on your page and start advertising. In fact, if you want to do it properly, wear them, look good, carry your purse, your bag, your shoes, style it, put on shades, wear a very good pair, and yes, you are going to start selling and making your own hard-earned money. Fashion is everywhere. No matter how tough the Nigerian economy is, people must always wear clothes. Social media has made it easy to sell without owning a shop. You can start small and grow big. But how do you start? Niche down. You hear the word niche. Do you know why it's important? It is good for people to categorize where you stand. Okay, are you doing corporate wears? Yes, let's know that you are doing corporate wears. So if people want to get corporate wears, they will come to you. That way you'll be able to make lots of money on it because you are doing specific kind of sale. Are you doing traditional wears? Maybe just this boo-boo or anything traditional or even affordable luxury. You see all these rich auntie pants with crop top, matching skirts and things like that. Yes, you can niche down on those things. Find reliable tailors and good fabric. Make sure your fabrics are always unique, good for the skin and good for each skin tone. Now build a catchy brand. Use logos, pick a striking name, then packaging. Make sure your packaging is superb. Market on Instagram, on WhatsApp, on TikTok. Show off your designs. Another secret is to offer swift delivery and customer service. I know that the tailors can disappoint. That is why you must look for a reliable one so that they would not disappoint you. You don't want to say 2 weeks after payment is when they want to get their clothes. No, the tailor must be up and running. Now, if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Funke Odode. I'm a sales strategist, a business analyst, a public speaker, and a content strategist. And if you're looking for ways to understand the business terrain, the financial terrain, join my Fooby finance community where we break down financial education and awakening for beginners. So if you have not liked and subscribed, it's time for you to do so because I have so much to talk about. Number 4 on this list is my favorite. The next is the sale of luxury hair. Guys, look at this hair. I'm not wearing it today. I wish I did, right? I'll be able to show you guys. I'm also going to tag the picture of this hair in this video. Guys, this hair is beautiful. If I show you, every strand was carefully picked. It's a pixie hair, and this hair was sent to me by my friend through another channel. Let me show you a pack. This is Fabs and More. Guys, if you are looking to buy luxurious, affordable hair with good quality, guys, this is your plug. Do you know that when this hair came to Lagos, she's in Ibadan or your state, right? But when this hair came to Lagos, it came with a product to take care of it. It came with pin in order for me to style it. It was already well styled when it came, smelling good. Since it was gotten for me by my friend, I have not styled it. How do you run this kind of business? Have a discussion with the seller. They will help you deliver straight to whoever you're buying from, and they are not going to brand with their own bags. And if you want to use it yourself, you can also call on the seller. I'm going to tag a number somewhere here. This is a fantastic hair, good quality, feels so good and smells so good. I'm not capping. This is not paid. I told my friend that if our product is good, I am going to mention her on this platform, and that is why I'm doing so. So if you are looking for where to get original pixie hair or any bouncy, coily, beautiful hair, just call her on the phone. She's going to give you exactly what you need, and you are not going to have to style anything. She would have styled it. Just carry it and wait, and you are good to go. And then she will even tell you how to take care of it when you come back. How not to stress yourself around it, such that you don't even have to like give yourself headache as oh, I need to style my hair before going out. You don't need to do that. Now, if you want to resell it to somebody, just tell her to give you pictures, advertise. Now, if a customer is interested, add your own markup, pay her her own cut, and she'll send it directly to wherever. She sends abroad, she sends to every state in Nigeria, so you don't have to worry about distance. The next is branding unbranded tissue. That's a business that is not too penetrated in Nigeria today. So if you're looking into starting a profitable business with 50 to 100,000 naira, you can start this business. Go to Lagos Island where they sell unbranded tissue. Okay, so what do I mean by unbranded tissue? Tissues that don't have any nylon wrap around it. They are naked. Now they are in two types. One is brownish in color, while the other is whitish in color. The whitish in color does not stay in the market. A lot of people rush it and then they go brand it. The brownish in color is the one you see more often, but they have the whitish in color. So you just tell the vendor that they should please call you for this one. Immediately they have it, right? Now go make your own brand of nylon, the wrappers, right? Create a name and start selling. You can sell to supermarkets around you. I'm not telling you to go and sell to branded supermarkets like Boku, Jendo. You don't go to those kind of supermarkets because they may ask you for certain detail because they don't want the authorities to come and start asking them plenty questions. Those small shops around your area, those mini marts, you can go to them, supply them, and get your money later. Some will even pay you upfront as long as the price works for them. This way, you can build a strong, recognizable brand by creating your own nylon packs around these tissues. Why is this business profitable? Tissue is a fast-selling product. You cannot do without it in your homes, in your offices. It has low production and brand costs. It is easy to scale with distribution channels. Even Mama Amaka or Mama EY around you can just buy from you as long as it works with their price. So you can go supply people from door to door around you. Now, how do you start this business? Like I said, go to Lagos Island. There are places they sell this in bulk in Lagos Island. Go create your own nylon brands. Then buy these tissues in bulk. Please be careful during rainy season because your business is gone if water touches it. Now you have it. Don't complain about not having money to start a business. These are profitable business ideas that you can invest in this year in Nigeria and you start scaling. The next business is one of my favorite business. I told you number 4 is my favorite. It's the production of hand wash. Hand wash is a business that commonly generates lots of revenue, but most people don't even look at it. Nigerians have become more hygiene conscious, especially people raising kids. And hand wash has become a daily essential. In homes, schools, offices, even on the road, people put a small bottle in their handbags or their purses and they're able to wash their hand in case something stains them. Why is producing hand wash profitable? Hygiene awareness is permanent. There will always be dirt. You always need to wash your hand. If you use the toilet, you always need to wash your hand. The production is simple and scalable. The profit margin is high, especially with good branding. Just look for a good printer. In fact, go on Canva, design something fantastic for yourself. Look at other brands' packaging, then design something fantastic for yourself or pay someone to design that fantastic packaging for you. And then you start making good money. How do you get started? You have to learn the basic formula. Either you learn it here on YouTube or you could go on TikTok or Facebook. But YouTube has lots of resources for learning. You can even attend a one-day workshop just to learn it. So it tells you how easy it is. In one day, you can learn how to make hand wash. You source for your raw material, surfactants, fragrances, containers. Invest in packaging that looks professional, even if you're starting small. That is how you'll be rated. That is where your money starts coming in from. Get NAFDAC approval for credibility. It does not mean that if in the process of your getting NAFDAC approval that you cannot sell. You can still sell to neighborhood shops. But the moment you want to go out there to start selling big, you must get NAFDAC approval. Push your products to supermarkets, to salons, to schools, hotels, churches. Hand wash production can start with as little as 150,000 naira and grow into a serious business with bulk supply. The next business on my radar is Kuli. You guys, this is because of you guys I've not finished this snack. This is the Nigerian snack, the local snack. It is made with granules and it can be consumed in different ways. You can use it to drink garri. You can just snack on it. I've been snacking on it since I've been working and it's almost finished. This is the third pack I'm buying in 2 days and it's 1,000 naira per pack. A lady in my neighborhood sells this. It's 1,000 naira. It tastes very good. It's kuli that has pepper. It's quite crunchy. She doesn't make it. That's the point. And you guys know this pack, right? You know that you can get it commonly around you with people selling packaging products. So this one is close to home. Kuli is no longer a village snack. It is now an international snack. Lots of Nigerians in the diaspora want this snack. They want you to send it to them. They want to buy, especially when you're selling a good one. Now, health-conscious Nigerians will prefer this kind of snack to sausage, to cakes, because it's a natural snack. Export markets love African superfoods. This is the step to start. If you cannot make it yourself, you can look for resources on YouTube to do it. But if you can't make it yourself, look for a source that will be bringing it to you from the north. Or go to Mile 12 markets where you can get it directly. Don't buy those ones that they've already shaded. They shade it in large quantity. Don't buy those ones that is already shaded. Tell them you want fresh ones, the ones from the bag. Now, those ones, buy them. When you get home, clean them properly. Even as you're packing, use a cotton cloth to clean each set as you pack them into the packaging bag. Now, go to Ojota market or any other market around you. Go and buy this kind of packages or any design that you love. Create a sticker, a beautiful sticker that speaks to your business. And voila, you are already in business. You can sell this with word of mouth. You can sell it on the internet and you can sell it to most people exporting goods. I have friends in the diaspora. When they want to buy things like this, they will just tell you, please supply so quantity of kuli to so person that is helping me export. So most people in the diaspora are waiting for your kind of kuli. This woman's kuli is so fantastic. Oh God. Even my kids that don't like anything that stresses them, they love this kuli. Like they love it. They literally fight for it. So you can go into this business. Just look for the market, get the snack, get your own packaging item. This is a business you can start from your kitchen and grow into a national brand. The next business is the granola business. At the time in my career, I was actually doing this. I make granola from the scratch in my kitchen. I know you guys may think that I'm bragging, but I tell you, I feel like I'm the best granola maker. No capping, I tell you, because I don't just make rubbish. Like, I go through the process properly. I learned it here on YouTube, but then I upgraded, I upscaled, I did better. Like, I wish you guys tasted my granola. Everyone who has tasted it are like, funky. Okay, so that's aside. You can learn this skill here on YouTube and start packaging just the way the Kuli maker packages. If you go to a supermarket like Jendo, you see various granola products from different people making it locally. You see the one you like, you see the one you not like. You see the one that has lots of condiments like almond, coconut flakes, chocolate chips, and all of that. While you see some that will have nothing, they'll just have some dry fruits. What do they call that fruit? Anyways, I've forgotten. Pick the one that works for you. Some people, their health doesn't even work for certain kind of snacks. The base of granola is oats. So some people just buy it based on that. Some granola have sugar while some don't. So some people buy the ones that have sugar. When you start producing and supplying the market, you see what works and what does not work. But you can start this business conveniently from the comfort of your home. Granola is no longer an Oyibo food. Nigerians are embracing healthy living. Everyone is scared of diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, and so many other chronic diseases. It is a nutritious snack and a breakfast option. And people are willing to pay for it. It has low production costs, not as low as Kuli do. And it has high profit margin. It also has multiple distribution channels. You can sell it online. You can sell it in supermarkets and mini marts. You can even sell it in health stores. You know, there are stores that only caters to health products. You can sell them there too. One of the ways to do it is to develop a unique recipe. You can use local ingredients like dates, coconuts, different nuts like almond nuts, put chocolate chips, honey. Please don't go and buy those bad honey. Buy honey from reliable suppliers. You can even market it through fitness influencers. That's how good granola can be. Food bloggers and health communities. You can start your business with 200,000 naira because oats is now expensive. You will need to create packaging, you need to create sticker, you need to buy honey and some expensive nuts and dried fruits. You can even partner with gyms. So there you have it. 6 profitable, no-nonsense business ideas. You guys know that I told you 5, but now I made it 6 because I love you guys so much. These business ideas are already working in Nigeria and will keep booming in 2025, 2026, 2027 and beyond. Whether you want to tap into fashion, hygiene, daily essentials, traditional snacks or healthy food, or even hair, these are daily income business ideas. The opportunities are right here. This is how to make money in Nigeria every day. But remember, business is not for observers, it's for doers. It's for people who will come, watch this content and decide to actually do what it has asked you to do. I've spread the process, the strategy, the marketing tip. There is nothing stopping you. Pick one idea, share the idea with me in the comment section. Start small, grow smart, build consistently. If this video opened your eye to real money making opportunities in Nigeria, hit the like button. Make sure you share it. Subscribe to Fooby Finance channel for more profitable business ideas and join our free YouTube community for financial awakening. It is for beginners and you can learn something there. You can share your thoughts freely without being judged. And I also offer one-on-one clarity session for investors, for businesses, for career opportunities. It is for a token, very affordable. Send me an email, foobyfinance@gmail.com. And if you're looking for a seasoned public speaker, I do that. That is one of my forte. Reach out to me on foobyfinance@gmail.com. Guess what? Your breakthrough may not be Canada or UK or US. It is your mindset that is stopping you from making it in Nigeria. Let's try something new. Let's work together. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to watch this video next.